In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Samsung tablet keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Samsung tablet model you have, you will be able to customize the input languages that you have available. You will be able to have multiple input languages assigned to your keyboard, and you can change between them at any time. To do this, I recommend accessing the settings and going over to General Management. So open the settings on your tablet and find General Management after you scroll down. You should also be able to find the settings icon on the keyboard itself. So choose whichever option you prefer, either the settings icon on the keyboard or go over to General Management. Within General Management, you will find the Samsung keyboard settings. So choose the first option right here. When you choose Samsung keyboard settings, you will be able to change the languages. Now, of course, this is going to be useful if you are using the Samsung keyboard as your main keyboard. You can download different keyboards from the Play Store and other sources, but for this video, I'm assuming that you haven't changed the main keyboard or the default one. If you haven't, then immediately upon going to Samsung keyboard, you will be able to find languages and types. So choose this option and you will be able to see the languages that you have available. Now, if you want to add or manage these languages, go over to Manage Input Languages below the list. When you choose this option, you will finally be able to download and use new languages alongside your Samsung tablet. You can download language packs by tapping on this icon here. Usually they don't take up too much storage, so it's very quick to download. You can use the search function to look for specific languages, and once you download, they will appear all the way at the top. Now, just make sure that the option to use them is enabled and they will appear under the list. So you can set up the list however you prefer, put them in order, and choose one as the default. This will apply for the Samsung keyboard, and you can download as many language packs as you need. I hope I was able to help you on how to change language on Samsung tablet keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.